What's up, guys? I'm back. It's Matthias. Thought I'll show you all the engine to my project I've been working on. It's taking forever today. Ooh. I got a few more things to do to it. I should have it in the truck Thursday, as long as everything goes good. And oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel ASAP. That'll be a good thing. And I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. I'm working on that right now, trying to figure out what I want to do. So stay tuned to that. But anyway, I don't want to talk too much. Here you go. I should have. This goes to my 91 Chevy truck that I'm working on, just a project I got going on. I should have painted the engine, but I didn't want to waste a lot of time on it. I already got a freaking lot of time in it. Like, I tore it pretty much all the way down and fixed whatever it needed. You know, like the heads were sent off to the machine shop, and hold on, let me go. Like the heads were sent off and stuff like that, and hold on, I don't have the oil pan on, so I can show you. Like, all that's pretty much new, or if it needed to be replaced, it got replaced. Like, it's got a new crankshaft in there, timing chain, all that good stuff. What else can I say? Like, all this, the intake, everything. I bought a complete gasket set for it, so it's got all new gaskets. Let me show you that. I just pretty much tore it down and just put it back like it's supposed to. I should have painted it. I kind of regret that I didn't, but it's just going in a little 91. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. And I learned that these, when I took these off, I didn't have a problem, but I ran into a problem with these. I don't know if anybody ever ran into this problem, that these shrink. When you take them off, they shrink. So we had to use a tool that goes in between here and stretch it so it'll fit. So these will go back on, because I cannot get these on for nothing. And reason why I don't got, if you're wondering why I don't got, hold on, let me get back down here. And this is new too. I put a new one of these while I was doing the timing chain and all that. But if you wonder why the oil paint on there, is because I got to take this off the engine off the engine stand, put the rear main seal and housing and stuff back on, and slap the pan on, and then it's pretty much good to go. And that's right over here, the part that I'm talking about. This little part, all this needs to go on. So I'll do that. I'll be doing that tomorrow. Hopefully not in my face, so hopefully I like that in my face. But yeah, I got a lot going on. I think I'm gonna show y'all that truck. That's what I'm about to do, because I'm about to leave. Freaking late. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show y'all this little project I got going. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it short. But I'm ready to go. So I just covered it up, keep stuff from getting in it. A lot of stuff in the air, and I don't want no trash or nothing getting in there. But anyway, I'm gonna walk outside. So wait a minute, let me grab my stuff right quick. Yeah, small right there. And I'm about to kick rocks. Nope, I got my key. Sorry guys, all the movement. Hopefully the sunlight don't kill it. Mess up the camera and stuff. And it ain't nothing special, I just bought it for a little project. I'm gonna sell it. Nothing special. It's a hell of a look at the camera. Hope everybody's having a good day. Here it is. It's a 91 little truck. And I was not expecting to pull the engine out, by the way. Like, it was running so bad. Like, hold on, let me get where I can show you. It was running so bad, I was like, man, it leaked everywhere. Tires on it are nice. Like, it ain't really a bad truck, it really ain't. Like, it's cool. Like, I think that's really the worst thing, you know, but it's just an old work truck, nothing special. Let me look in the inside. and I'm gonna detail it, get it cleaned up and stuff. Ooh, I wanna hit that car. Like, it just need to be cleaned up. Some older guy had it, I guess. I don't know. But I'll tell you one thing, he did not take care of this truck. I'll tell you right now, he did. Like, ran it low on oil. Man, that freaking thing, I got off in that engine and about had a stroke. Like, they just did poor maintenance on this thing. Like I pretty much did that whole engine. Like, I did from seals to heavy duty parts. Like, everything got changed on that motor if it needed it. Like, everybody really thought it was the starter, because the way it was all dragging and like it was not right, but it was an engine part why it was dragging. Like, so it got a new starter, new battery, because the way it was starting, it was like it was dragging, like it was like but it wasn't no starter or no battery. It ended up being an internal part in the engine. So, but hold on. And like the headliner part, like I think that's really hold on. This right here is bad, and I think part of the headliner is bad, but I'll take care of that. I just wanted to get the truck running right before I started doing anything else. And like, I'm putting the radio in there. Like, as soon as I get it running and I know it's running right, I'm putting the radio in here, because it don't work. At least to my knowledge, it don't work. I haven't been in it long enough, but before I started tearing the engine down, I was messing with the radio and I could not get it to work at all. So that's got to go. So I'll probably tinker with it, get it to how I want, make sure everything's good. It's gonna be for sale. I know the engine is not good. I'm gonna show you. Oh my goodness! What the motor? Empty. I love doing this stuff, but it's time consuming more than anything. It really is. But yeah, that's all for that. So hopefully Thursday I'll have it all done up and have it running. Well, I'll have it in, and then hopefully closer to the weekend I'll have it running and stuff. Cause it's got to get put in, all that good stuff, fluids, and make sure everything was good on it. This one more big thing behind there. But yeah, that's about it. And then here's the inside of it, some of the parts that's out there. But yeah, that's my old little project I got going, and I got several projects. that I need to get going and done. But that's one that's for sure about to go. And then as soon as I get that done, go get me another. Start it all over again. Cars is like a drug. But no, I'm just kidding. But I like cars. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Keep me out of trouble because I stay so busy with it. It ain't like I do nothing to get in trouble anyway. It keeps me out of trouble because all I want to do is work on cars. Something doesn't make sense. But, keeps me productive too. I don't know. Being positive. Wake up. Feeling down, get you up or whatever, or trying to be more positive than negative. That's all I'm going to say. You guys have, like I said, have a good day. Get my peace, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, all that good stuff.